Baking soda-free deodorant. Humble Brands Natural Deodorant is made with non-GMO cornstarch and magnesium hydroxide to be tough on odor while keeping you smelling fresh. Natural contains nothing bad. No aluminum, alcohol, dyes, parabens or artificial fragrances. Our deodorant is made of 4 simple ingredients, making it non-toxic for your skin. Stay fresh all day without using harsh artificial fragrances. Certified cruelty-free, Humble Brands deodorant for women and men is small batch crafted and never tested on animals. Regardless of scent, this deodorant is 100% vegan, and is Leaping Bunny certified. Designed for sensitive skin, our natural deodorant for sensitive skin uses Wild Harvested Candelilla Wax for a smooth texture that provides an easy glide application. MCT Oil helps to provide antioxidants for your skin and a silky smooth texture. For the romantic, like a garden rose just after it's been watered, this scent is fresh, warm, and sweet. Simultaneously delicate and intense, ripe plum notes tangle with soft spicy undertones. Top reviews from the United States. I am sold on this product. This deodorant is something really special. It keeps my underarms dry throughout the entire day. And the scents are amazing, all of them. I am sold.